Today's quote of the day: cultivate yourself. And I love the little plants here, because to me what that is about is growth. And often one of our challenges is that we don't like change, and we can end up staying in situations, jobs, careers, relationships that are no longer working for us, where we're no longer growing. And as I said yesterday, when we don't grow, we stagnate. And when we stagnate, it's not great for our genius. It's not great for our energy, because the energy has nowhere to go. Where does the energy go? It goes back in on us. And that is one of the reasons why we may be in the epidemic of anxiety and depression, because the energy has got nowhere to go. We're stagnating and we're not growing. Remember, humans, we are living organisms. We are designed to grow. So what does that mean to you in your life? What might you need to cultivate and grow? Because you guys are all bragging about living best lives. But truly, really, are you? Are you? I don't know. Only you will know. However, cultivating and growing, building ideas, having a vision, most importantly, having a dream is fundamental, I believe, to your well-being. Having your potential unfold, having a focus and intentions to bring your dreams to life, I know is just one of the cures, one of the ways to override common mental health problems. I hope that speaks to someone, because Keeley's messages aren't for everybody. But if they resonate with you and it makes sense to you and it speaks to your pain, then give your gal a like. And if you want to talk more, then inbox me. And remember, you can give me a call, a fact-finding call. Go to my bio and book yourself in, because it may be real time, your time for real change. Not no little pretend change. Not pretend change and then we float back to where we were. I'm talking, it's time to get to the real core of your issues. And that is just one of the reasons why more and more people are coming to see me. They're coming to see me because the 6 sessions of CBT isn't working. And they're coming to see me because they don't want to be on medication. They're coming to see me because they're curious about themselves. And they've heard on the grapevine that I may be able to assist them, to help them, to unravel and make sense of what they're going through. And by God's grace, I usually am. So what about you? What do you need to cultivate? What do you need to grow in your life so that you can move on and up out of your situation? Because I tell you one thing, having a dream and a vision has been fundamental to my well-being. I've been in jobs that I've hated, but having a vision, staying in a job I've hated, that I didn't love, that where I felt disempowered and undermined, having my dream kept me alive. And if you don't have a dream, then maybe you're just surviving. Don't you want to thrive instead of survive? Don't you want more for yourself? Don't you think that you exist to do more than just eke out a living? Don't you have a dream? If you do, inbox me. Take care of you. Because if you don't,